fans, Ricky Owens back with another edition of MCW Flashback Friday. Today we look back at the Shane Shamrock Memorial Cup 2017 Night 2. And while both of these men failed to qualify for the finals of the Shamrock Cup, they were still looking to show out and pull out a victory. It's the Bad Apple, Matt Macintosh, taking on Anthony Bowens. MCW fans, don't miss out on this or any other action. Hit that subscribe button below and hit the bell to be notified of all of our latest videos right here on the MCW YouTube page.
I'm excited, man. What a night it's going to be. So much going on tonight. Tag title match coming up a little later. It's going to be explosive. Collar elbow tie up, dead center in the middle of the ring. As Bowens, you would think, has a strength advantage, but Macintosh using the leverage. See if we get a clean break here. No, I don't think that's a clean break. He just slapped him in the face.
Yeah, that wasn't the cleanest break. Oh!
Just with that clothesline. Nice deep arm drag. Another one. I think a special guest of ours, Ricky the Dragon Steamboat, might appreciate that arm drag.
Yeah, I think that would be a Ricky-approved arm drag right there.
Bowens continues to work on the arm here. As we are at night 2 of Shamrock 17. I think everyone will watching this This is that drop kick. Following with that side headlock takeover.
Bowens just like backed up out of that drop kick. That was impressive.
Trying to roll him over, get the count. Got a 1 count. Oh, look at that. Think he got a thumb in the arm?
Well, he is the Bad Apple.
Now referee missed on that. He has the advantage. Oh, look at the block and the strength of Bowens.
Oh my gosh.
Sends him off Irish whip. Right over the top goes Macintosh. Leapfrog.
Oh,
right in the face.
I was just about to talk about the athleticism of Macintosh, and then Bowens jumps up, damn near hits his head on our ceiling.
And now Bowens just waiting for Macintosh here. Reverse knife edge chop finds him mark. Men looking to make their mark here. Doing just that. Over the top goes Macintosh. A little show off. Sidestep now. Bowens on the top, and he got caught.
Not good on Bowens. Not good. Oh my God, that net breaker across the knee. That's funny, Cradle. He's the Bad Apple. You know, how do you like those apples?
I get it.
You get it?
Yeah, thank you. And Anthony Bowens in trouble at the moment here. And Macintosh. Might want to spend a little less jaw jacket and a little bit more action on Bowens. Bowens coming back here. Got that kick in the midsection. Going for a power bomb, perhaps. Can't get him over. That back is hurting. And a backdrop. Nicely executed there from Macintosh.
He got some serious hang time.
I'll give him some credit. He's been working on that the entire time and continues to work on the back, driving his opponent into that top turnbuckle.
Bowens' ankle is caught up in that top turnbuckle there.
Oh, and look at this. Now that is blatant as hell, referee. Come on and get in there. Oh, now he's just going to show off. Oh! Kick right in the face of Bowens, who's tied up in the tree of woe. Oh, and look at now he's going to sit there and pose.
I mean, it was pretty slick on his part.
I figured you would appreciate something like that. There's a cover finally by Macintosh, and had he not decided to pose, he might actually have gotten a 3 count right there.
Well, when you do something so pretty and innovative, you go ahead and you gotta start to pose every once in a while.
How about you celebrate after you get the victory, not beforehand?
Well, you know, you are right.
Oh, thank you. The first right thing you said all night.
Maybe ever.
Bowens back at Macintosh in his corner. Macintosh coming out missing with that clothesline. And now Bowens got a left hand in. The southpaw now. Well, he's good with the left and the right.
Apparently leg-wise, too.
Oh, those kicks are finding him on. Now coming off of the ropes. Leg lariat that just put Macintosh right on the top of his head.
Wow. All that pressure on his face and his neck and,
Fireman's carry. Oh, just drove the back of the neck. And he got caught. This with that clothesline. Caught him with that jumping knee, which staggered Bowens. And now coming off of the ropes, and he got caught with a thunderous clothesline.
That's got to be it.
No, it is not. Macintosh found the strength to kick out as this match continues. Bowens asking the referee.
I thought that was it, Cradle.
As great as that clothesline was, you got to do a little bit more to keep Macintosh's shoulders down.
It's been a fantastic match so far. These guys are just exhausted right now.
Get that power bomb in. He was looking for it earlier. No.
The back's still bothering him.
Might want to go for something else. Oh, look at the handspring. Oh, handspring butter. Nicely executed by Macintosh, and Bowens kicked out of that.
How did he kick out of that?
Well, I mean, that was a pretty nice cover. He had the leg, but he didn't have the shoulders there.
But he caught him flush with that cutter.
Yeah, but take the pinfall seriously. Split-legged moonsault. Right in the two knees from Bowens. And now Bowens quickly got him off. Anthony Bowens connects.
Oh, man.
Knee right to the face of Macintosh, and that got the 3 count.
What a match.